Yeah, this the locksmith, man. Jake the locksmith. Out here walking, exercising, doing my thing, walking, exercising in Jacksonville, Florida. The 6th, what this is, what the day is? The 6/26, 2015, Friday morning. Yes, indeed. Out here walking, exercising. Let y'all see my little neighborhood and stuff. Yeah, out here walking. Getting my little exercise on. This my neighborhood. Let y'all see it. Can't walk a while, run a while, sit down a while, get up and do some sit-ups, push-ups, side scrouter hops. You know, all what it takes to do the exercise and get the thing right. It's me. It's me. Your boy. Uh, Now they getting that truck together, fixing it up, got it nice and going. Running now. Come on, run. Yeah, this small neighborhood, a lot of things you can see down through here. See what's down in here. No telling what's down up in here. Let's see. And walking around in my neighborhood. Can't talk. Can't do too much talking, all this running. Look how beautiful my neighborhood is. Yeah, I'm on what they call a dead end street. It's a long street though, boy. My God, it's long. Long, long, long. Woo, out here running, trying to keep it up. I got walk a while, run a while. All about getting that exercise thing and shit. So you can deal with these problems. You know what I'm saying? Just let y'all see my little area here. This where I walk and get myself around. Yeah, let y'all see some me out here. Oh yeah, walking. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Beautiful day, though. Y'all can see that. Friday, June 26, 2015. One of my neighbors here. That's my neighbor. Choose life. Look at Miss P. P, what you doing? What you doing, P? That's me waving my hand. My little stick right there. Working them legs, working them legs. P kind of see what I'm doing. Ain't it, P? What's up, P? Huh? I see my little neighborhood while I'm out here walking and running. Walking now. Running. Run off. Look at this side. Another one of my neighbors, old Bobby. Him in that boat right there. Bobby and his son. That boat. Big duty there. Bad boy right there. Bad boy. You know how it is in Florida. We got all this little different stuff. I have my partner right here. He from North Carolina. He moved in this neighborhood back in 1981. He retired now. Retired from down there in New Orleans, working on them barks in Miami, Florida. But he from North Carolina. Yeah, y'all got a little glimpse of my neighborhood. That's me right there, my shower, my stick, exercising up and down, kicking leg up and down. Time me to run again. Gotta run. Gotta run. Gotta run. Woo. Boy, Jake the handyman and locksmith man. Wore out now, wore out. Shit. Tell you, boy, I'm gonna take y'all through one more little scroll. Then it's gonna be time for me to step back and get it right. And exercise and get it right. June 26, 2015. June 26, 2015. Jacksonville, Florida. Duval County. That's part of me. My van, somebody in my van, somebody in my other truck. You know, I got people helping me do stuff. Got a dude using my car too. I got 2 cars, 2 trucks, 2 vans. But this part of me right here. Look at Miss Pig coming. Look at Miss Pig. See Miss Pig? That's Miss Pig. She hungry. Come here. Come here. I ain't gonna, come here. Hey. Come here. Look at her. Hey. See Miss P? What's that, Miss P? Huh? What's that? What's that, Miss P? Look at her. She just spoiled as she wanna be. They had her since a baby. My neighbor. She just like a little dog or kid or something. What's that, Miss Pig? Huh? What you doing? Huh? Look at her. All right, go ahead on. Go ahead on. Feel good, feel good.